So till now we have seen byte level logical operations. Those are ORing, ANDing, exclusive OR, ANL, ORL, XRL, complement A, clear A, rotations, RLC, RL, RRC, RR. So all rotations are taking only accumulator, and swap A, nothing but swapping the accumulated data. So these are about byte level logical operation. Now we will see the bit level logical operations. So here we have to use some specific addresses only, or we have to use some specific registers only in bit level logical operations. We cannot include all type of registers or all type of memory. So what is the condition we have to use means we have to use bit level addressing memory locations. We already seen internal RAM structure of the 8051. Here we have 128 bytes of 8051 internal RAM. 00 to 1F, that 32 bytes are occupied by the 4 banks. Each and every bank is having 8 registers, R0 to R7. And next 20th byte to 2F bytes, 16 bytes are bit addressable memory, means 1 byte can be divided into 8 parts, and one bit can be accessed by its address. So we can use bit addressable memory 20th byte to 2F, which is having 16 bytes. So addresses are 00 to 7FH. So you can use any single bit address to do the programming. Next, you can utilize any special function register which is bit addressable. So we have some special function registers which are bit addressable. So see here, PSW, program status word, and TCON, SCON, IE, interrupt enable register, IP, interrupt priority register. These are the bit addressable registers. And we have one table showing all special function register, and in that we have RAM address, and that register is bit addressable or not, that we already discussed in the unit 1. So you can take any special function register which is bit addressable under this bit level logical operations. Here accumulator also bit addressable register. Now we will see the what are the bit level logical operations are there. So see here, ANL means logical OR, C means carry flag, which is present in the program status word. So wherever C is there, that is nothing but carry flag. So carry flag means one single bit. Here small b means it is a single bit address. Wherever we are using small b, you have to provide the single bit address. That single bit address must be 20th byte to 2F byte, 16 bytes of bit addressable memory. You can take any single bit address, you can give that single bit address here, and whatever data is there in that location, either 0 or 1, it can be AND with the carry flag data. Result is stored in the carry flag only. And ANL C comma slash B means B bar, means that single bit address is having some data, you are complementing that data. After complementing data, you are ANDing with carry flag data, then result is stored in the carry flag. Like that you can do the ORing also, ORL, logical ORing, carry flag data with single bit address data. Same thing, carry flag data with complement of the single bit address data. You can do the ANL and ORL with the carry flag with the single bit address. So here small b, you can provide the single bit memory location or some special function register 1 bit name or its position. So next complement carry flag. CPLC means complement the carry flag, and complement the single bit address means that address will have one data, 0 or 1, you are complementing that, and result is stored in that same location only. Then clear C, nothing but you are clearing the carry flag, so you are resetting the carry flag. Then clear B, you are clearing the single bit data provided by the address. Then move C comma B. So B means one single bit address, that bit is going to move into the carry flag. Next, move B comma C. So now carry flag data is moved into this single bit location. Next, set bit C. So you are setting the carry flag, means carry flag is equal to 1. Set bit means you are setting the one single bit. So next, set bit B means, small b means one single bit location you will give as address. So you are going to set that single bit as a 1. Students, these are the bit level logical operations 8051 is having. ANL, carry flag with single bit. ANL, carry flag with complement of that single bit. ORL, same combination, complement carry flag, complement single bit. Clear carry flag, clear single bit. Then move one single bit data into the carry flag and reverse carry flag to single bit. Set bit C means you are setting the carry flag. Carry flag is equal to 1. Then set bit B means one single bit equal to 1. So this is about bit level and byte level logical operations.